Okay, what's up everybody? Today we are going to do this fidget pen by Aoye Labor.
Okay, let's see.
Ayo.
Whoa.
Wow.
Look at the pen. Oh no, it's so hard to get it out. Whoa. Made
Whoa.
out of magnet.
So how do you use it, AJ? Show us. And
Take this.
what are those balls?
I
So let's see what we got going on right here.
the magnet balls.
Oh, they're magnet balls, so you can make all these little kind of designs right here. Whoa, you can use it for your phone, for writing. Oh, and let's see, precautions. Strong suction. Do not pinch your fingers. Don't put together magnet things like mobile phones, magnetic cards, passbooks, etc. Do not bring the magnet close to the electronic medical device.
Did you fix the card, Papa?
The strength is slightly lighter when writing, preventing deformation. The accessories are small. The baby should not play alone to avoid swallowing. Whoa, and then look, 13 magnetic tubes, 2 refill, 2 gel pen caps, 2 small size metal balls, 2 large size metal balls, 8 middle sized
Look at
metal
this.
balls, 1 clip, 1 gel pen point tube. Wow. How much did this cost, AJ?
$9.
Wow, $9, everybody. Let us know what you think in the comments below, if it's worth it, if it's not worth it. And yeah, whoa, that's awesome. We just came back from Lake Tahoe. I just came back from driving like 4 hours. That's why I sound like this, because I'm so tired. We just literally got home. Literally got home 5 minutes ago.
Should we open the air conditioner?